Start. Please come in. Please take off your shoes and socks. Please take your uniform off. Please wash yourself. Please take your bath. Please put on your night dress. Please watch TV. Please watch Tom and Jerry. Please listen to this cassette. Please sing along the tape. Please sit at your study table. Please do your homework. Please write the answers. Please sharpen your pencil. Please draw the picture of a flower. Please erase this part. Please show the picture to your daddy. Please trace the letters. Please copy these numbers. Please repeat the words after me. Please stack your books. Please find your pencil. Please pick your sharpener. Please concentrate. Please be quiet. Please bring the sweets. Please count the sweets. Please distribute the sweets. Please eat some grapes. Please switch off the TV.